Welcome to Phyclops. We listen to plants. What I'm going to share with you in the coming weeks are videos that I'm recording out here in the forest of Northern Europe. It's February 2023 and I am recording electrical signals on conifer trees, and I'm going to show you how these electrical signals can tell us a lot about the tree that we're recording it from. And this is actually so interesting that I decided to make a series of videos about it. I'm starting this in a very unprofessional way. It's just me, so I have to keep track of the time I put into this. These are not perfectly edited videos, but I hope they'll get some of the fascination across to you. So let's stop here for the intro and let me show you some of the videos I've recorded so far.